Saturday, innit? Saturday again. Car's chugging away. Do apologise. Let's crack open a beer and crack on. Okay, noisy diesel Fiesta's gone. Chugging away and ticking over outside. Yeah. Sorry, no video Friday. I said I might do one, but in the end I was rushing around trying to get the camper van sorted and welding done, MOTs and stuff, and then it does. I always thought that actually filming your projects actually helps you speed up or keeps you going, so you get your project done quicker, which I think maybe overall it does, but not on a daily basis. You know, the amount of work you want to get done in one day, it slows you down. So I didn't film. Anyway, that's out of the way for the moment. Scheduled to do a bit of camping, hopefully in July. We'll see on that. So yeah, back to Frank. Thank you for everyone that joined the live stream on Tuesday. I didn't give people much warning, so yeah, but it was nice to chat to people and answer a few questions and do a bit of a to-do list, which I was supposed to bring out the whiteboard. We'll do that next week, I promise. I've got the whiteboard and we'll write the list up. But yeah, going back to the pipe work again, I've got some clamps and Screwfix, so let's go show those. The pipes, the main water pipes that run to the front and the back of the car, we all know about them, don't we? Let's get this out of the way. Out of the way. I don't know why I opened that, because you can't see them still anyway. I was going to 3D print some blocks and clamps, and ended up just looking at Screwfix, and they sell these like pipe clamps. I don't know, like 3-4 quid, I think 3 quid for a bag of 5 or something. I'm thinking, oh, can't be bothered to print. So I'm going to give these a go. So it looks like, I don't know what thread, it looks like it's got 2 types of thread in there. An M8 and an M10 or something, we'll try. And yeah, see what we can do. We can always cut and weld these. So yeah, clamp them on and sort of support them onto the bodywork somehow, just to stop the whole pipe sort of just vibrating around and just chafing. Nobody wants anything to chafe, do we? Okie dokie, we're just playing with these brackets. I've just put one on here just to see what it looks like. It's not tight, but to be honest, it's not loose, and well, it is loose, but not if you saw what I mean. So yeah, just figuring out what the best way. Some of the MDF pipes I like all joined together with some tabs and stuff. Obviously they mount on the MDF in the correct places. I left them on as well because that gives me an option that I could just solid mount that to a piece of metal as well, to the floor, and just bolt through, which would mostly be easier if I just bent a little bit of angle off and down. I could also weld some more brackets onto these pipes, but I'm a bit dubious about doing that now, because last time I tried to weld a pipe, it then caused a burst, because obviously they've got water in them, which obviously I could take the water out, but why would we do things like that? That's sensible. I just took the foot plate out. I just did a little bit of trimming that I marked up last time, just to miss the seat bolts, because I've got standard seats in it for now. I'm just going to give it a quick clean over with a bit of acetone or degreaser and a bit of wire brush, and we're just going to stick some black stone chip on it, just because I can and I will. Okay, seat removed, that panel removed, even though I've run out of stone chips. So anyway, I'm going to leave it as is for the moment. What I'm thinking is there's clamps like that, and where it's double skinned, I'm just going to try and weld. And down here where we've got like a little bit of a seat cross member, I'm just going to weld the bottom to the floor And then, yeah, this one I've managed to overlap the clamps. So they sort of use the same hole, you know. And, yeah, I don't know. If I can fit another 2 here, it would be really nice, wouldn't it? Or a bit further up or something. And, yeah. I can't see why that won't work. Okay, maybe the weld will break because obviously, you know, it could do with a load spreader sort of thing. But, you know, we'll do something, and if it breaks again, and we'll weld it up again. Pinkie for tea. Kids have gone out, so it's just me and the missus. Pinkie. All right, we've got some of these on. We're welded them on. They're tacked on now. Well, not tacked on, they're welded on. We'll put the old screws in them and just see what it looks like. Yeah, it is what it is, isn't it? At least they're not just clattering around now. If we can get another sort of mount up here just to support this high bit that sort of floats a bit, and then I think pretty much going back to the radiators will do for now. Obviously, if it's an OEM production car, they'd have them every 6 centimetres or something, but if it's an OEM car, they wouldn't make it like this. All right, we've got 2 more clamps welded up there, so they could have been better. They could have been, I've got my arse stuck in the door. Yeah, it could have been more adjustable and stuff, but my view is the pipes aren't going anywhere. They're staying where they are. Yeah, we need to give the old Hoover a floor out, and put a satin black on that at some point. So where are we going? Yeah, maybe we could get one further up as well, once we get all the boxing done as well. But that's definitely a start, and that's definitely another sort of half a job ticked off, half a list. I don't know if anyone noticed it as I was reversing out earlier. I put some scrapes down the side of the car because of my wonderful garage not being wide enough, or my car being too fat for the garage, or me can't drive. So that's pleased me lots, no end. Never finished getting the window rubber in. I think it's all perished, and my technique isn't brilliant. So yeah, let me know where I can get a windscreen rubber from. Hopefully I can get one off eBay. I think I saw a friend get one the other day off eBay. And maybe someone professional to fit it before I smash this windscreen. Sometimes you start doing a job and you know you should stop. Well, I think I've stopped. Said, ran out of stone chip, so I just went over with a little bit of textured heat paint. Whether it comes out textured or not, it's another question, but look at that! Race car. Oh, Frank. Let's not look at the scratches on the side, damaged bonnet. Yes. Whew. Oh yes. Doesn't that look smarter, being black? Good idea, good shout whoever said that. And obviously stops the sunlight reflecting into my eyes when I'm going 150 over a jump. Yeah. Ooh. Alright, time to tidy up. Well, actually, no, I'm going. Oh, I'll tell you in a minute what I'm doing tomorrow. First off, thank you for all my patrons who are still sticking with me through thick and thin. So yes, thank you for them. If you want to be a patron, check out the description below. And other ways to help me. If you've got any parts for this, anything you think, oh, I've got that laying around, this, what, that, or pull your finger out, Matthew. But no, we're not going to do that. And anyway, and everybody else that just watches, if everybody watches, if you could hit the subscribe button, that'd be really great for me. If you can't do that, can you just hit the like button at least? And if you could do one more step, if you could do anything, just leave a comment. Let me know what you're having for dinner and what you've been up to. So yeah, that's it for today. I'm a lot. Go have a bath, get ready for the Pinkie. Off to an air show over in Kent, my RAF air show with the daughter. She got it as a Father's Day present from last week. So yeah, we're going to go see that. So let me know if you want me to do a little video of that. I don't know, I always see how it is. You know, I'm using an iPhone, trying to film little planes up in the sky. But if there's anything more to video down below and things to look at, I'm not too sure. I've never been to this one, so could be a big turnout, could be loads of things. Yeah, let me know. Well, that's it for this week. We're going to try and I'm trying to get my head to do a session on this during the week as well. One evening we'll try and do some work on it as well, because otherwise nothing's going to get done if we just keep spending a few hours a weekend.